Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing or not working in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Facebook professional mode is not showing or it is not working properly, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First, I will show you what will be the exact problem. As you can see here, turn on professional mode. Sometimes this option may not be visible, or when it is visible, it is disabled. So if you are also facing this type of issues, so what you have to do, you have to just first unlock your Facebook profile, because if your profile is locked, then this option will not work. Here you can see unlock the profile, your profile, you locked your profile. Just tap on unlock your profile. Then you can see the profile has been unlocked. If you want to check, just tap on this three dot and go in the bottom. You can see turn on professional mode. Now it has been enabled. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Facebook professional mode option not working or not showing in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.